Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with an exciting Skims unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing her Fits Everybody. She's got a bunch of new stuff. I've done the Fits Everybody collection a bunch of times now and I genuinely love the butteriness of it. She dropped some new stuff. She's got turtlenecks and crop tops and some new bodysuits and even biker shorts. So I got a little bit of everything. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm super excited. My box literally just touched down. So let's just hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
First item that I found was this purple ultraviolet turtleneck. Out the back, the turtleneck doesn't seem too high, but we're gonna see what it looks like on. I got a size large. When it comes to the color, it's actually really pretty. Definitely something that I don't own. I'm gonna just be trying it on with jeans. I'm gonna just wear it with this little waffle bralette. You guys, when it comes to this shirt, I got it in a size large. This is the color ultraviolet. I like it. What do you think?
It's cute. Is it Skims?
It's Skims.
Why would they drop something like that? That's different.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
You guys hear my husband's commentary in the background. He likes it. He said, is that Skims? So when it comes to the sizing, I got a size large and I'm pleasantly happy that I got a size large because I think that the medium would be a little more on the constricting side. Granted, it would be cute, but I just wanted to make sure that the turtleneck actually went up my neck. You know what I mean? I don't want like low mock neck turtleneck. I wanted it to go all the way up. I appreciate this color because I don't have anything like it.
I think when you wear it with light jeans, it looks like a light purple or a pastel. And if you wear it with dark colors, it could look darker.
Oh, really? He thinks that the shirt's gonna change colors. Let me show you guys what else we got. This color, I didn't really know how I was gonna feel about this color. This is the color gray. I got this in a size medium. This is the little cropped shirt. I really didn't know how I was gonna feel about this crop shirt, but I kind of felt like I needed to get it because it was a part of the new collection. I like to give you guys my honest opinion on Skims, but so far I do enjoy this purple shirt. Definitely keeping it with the Fits Everybody collection. It's not like a thick material. It's not like hot. I could definitely get away with wearing this in the summer and still feeling cool, you know what I mean? But I don't know how I feel about this gray. So I gotta absolutely love this top. So let me just try this one on real quick. BRB. Okay, you guys, this gray shirt, I'm gonna show it to you guys with it closed up, but right now I have it opened. These are actually buttons. I'm glad it's, I mean, they're like buttons. They're not like the kind of buttons you gotta do that. They just like snap, snap. Low-key, I like the gray. I was not expecting to like the gray. This was the shade that I was least looking forward to, but low-key, I like it. I do have on a bra. I feel like I personally wouldn't be able to wear this without a bra because I like the way my chichis are sitting with a bra, you know what I mean? It's definitely see-through. If you are gonna get this, do be sure to make sure you have on a bra unless you like your nips exposed. I'm happy I got it in black. Low-key, I wish I got it in the cocoa shade too, but I wasn't expecting to actually like this shirt. I don't know why. When I saw it, especially in the color, I was not expecting to love it, but I don't have anything like this. And I got this in a medium for anyone wondering, but I really like this. I think it's super cute. Definitely gonna be paired with like jeans or I would really pair it with like some sweatpants of some sort, but I like it. I wasn't expecting to like the color. I really wasn't expecting to like the color. I picked up the new Fits Everybody shorts. I got them in the shade Cocoa and I got this size large. I picked these up because, well, better yet, I didn't pick up the black because I have a ton of black shorts. I really don't have any Cocoa shade shorts and I have a bunch of the Cocoa Fits Everybody collection. So if these fit well and they're super cute, I think that it's gonna be perfect to wear. So this is the Cocoa turtleneck. Well, first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try on the turtleneck with my jeans so you guys can see what that looks like. And then I will pair them together. They're definitely a match made in heaven. They were perfect in color. Let's go try it on. To be honest, I love it. The cocoa shade is one of my favorite shades. Like I said, I got a large. I wouldn't have gotten the medium. I normally get a medium in like the short sleeve shirts because I like those to fit a little tighter. I like the long sleeve shirts to go a little further down on my wrist. I was not expecting the shorts to be so comfortable. I'm like, oh, okay, they're shorts. But when I put them on, they were super comfortable. I have tried the Fits Everybody leggings and in the size large, they're just way too big. But in the biker shorts, the large fits really well. For anyone that's gonna ask, they are see-through. I have on black panties and you can definitely see them through my shorts. So you might need to wear a thong. The shorts are really comfortable. Like I was not expecting for them to be so comfortable. I don't know if the black ones would be as see-through, but these are chocolate brown. Granted, the top is not really see-through, but the bottoms was really see-through, but they're so comfortable. And no, it's not like compressive. All my ladies out there with the fupa, you're gonna be sticking in your stomach for the day. The outfit itself is not compressive. If you're like looking for some type of compression, this is not this is not the shapewear for you. And I also got it in a large. But for me, when it came to these turtlenecks, like I told you guys, I don't have any turtlenecks. So I wanted to get colors that I could reuse. She didn't have it in a white marble shade. If she did, I probably would have gotten it. I got colors that I knew that I'd be able to wear or that I wear the most. This violet is not like anything that I own. And recently I've been trying to like step out of my comfort zone when it comes to fashion. So do remember that. If there's colors that you always wear, me, black, brown, kind of step out of your comfort zone. But right now I'm gonna try on the black. I'm not expecting to not like it. I'm expecting to love it even more because it's black. And then I'm gonna show you guys what else I got. What I forgot to mention, when it comes to the turtlenecks, they're actually not really tight around the neck. Maybe it's because I got a size large, but it's not like tight around the neck, which I do like. It's crazy. I don't know. I like it. I low-key like the black really. I like all of them. I'm gonna keep all of them. I knew that I was going into this keeping all of them, so I spent like $500. I feel like if you're gonna get any color, low-key black in that purple, the purple shade was really cute. I just feel so artsy, like a painter right now. And it's just so black, and it's actually not giving see-through right now, which is cool. So yeah, the black's nice. I definitely would say really depends on how you want your shirt to fit. Do you want it to fit a little tight? If you want it to fit tight, size down, because it's very stretchy. If I would have gotten a size small, I could have fit a size small as well, but I got a size large. But I love it. I think it's super cute for anybody who was interested in the Fits Everybody turtleneck. You would love it. The Fits Everybody collection is just one of my favorites, period. I do have 2 more items, so let me show you guys what else we got. I kind of had to get this little top, Henley crop top, because black is my shade. Like, I really do like black. Just makes me feel so confident and sexy. So I got this in a size medium. So when it comes to the Fits Everybody collection, if you guys haven't already seen any of my reviews, I like the Fits Everybody short sleeves in a size medium, and I like my long sleeves in a size large. I'm gonna try this on real quick. I'm sure I'm gonna love it because I was not expecting to like the gray as much as I did, but right now it's looking like I'm gonna keep everything. Then I also got an orange bodysuit. I don't know what to expect when it comes to that because it's 100% out of my comfort zone. So let's go try on this little black shirt. So you guys, when it comes to this little top, it's way too cute. Like, I mean, I knew it was gonna be cute, but I didn't know that I was gonna love it as much as I do. This time I actually have it opened all the way up, and I do have on that little waffle bra underneath. So I would 110% just wear a Skims little bralette under it, just because I don't want my boobs to be sagging, you know what I mean? But you guys, this is cute. By now, you don't know what you want from the collection. I think that this little crop top shirt is so cute, definitely very flattering. If you have like a mommy belly like I do, high waist jeans always hides your gut. And oh my gosh, this shirt is super cute. So when it comes to the short sleeve shirt, definitely size down, because I think that you guys would like the super tailored fit. Granted, I knew I was gonna like the black one. I didn't know I was gonna like the gray one, and here I am. I like it. Like, I love it. Like, this is my favorite. The last thing that I got, I only got this one because I kind of needed to give you guys some type of orange. So this is a size medium. I probably should have got a large, but this is a medium. This is what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. I guess it's supposed to be like a super deep V kind of thing. So I might need to put on some sweatpants. But you guys, this is 110% out of my comfort zone. And then I got a medium. I don't know who I was thinking, but this looks like it could fit my daughter. So we're gonna try it on and hope to love it. I'm gonna put on a thong in case I don't love it. I got that neon orange shade because I really wanted to see what it looks like. Let's see how this neon orange, and it's literally like highlighter orange. It reminds me of a highlighter. So let's try it on and hope to love it, because like I said, that gray shirt, I was like, that's going to get taken back, but hopefully I love this. So you guys, I have the bodysuit on. Currently, my husband and my daughter wanted to see the show today, but I have the bodysuit on, and I have it on in a size medium. Low key, I'm happy I got the medium, because what I did was I kind of like put my boobs up so it looks like I have, like, you know, lifted boobs. I enjoy the fact that my boobs aren't like, it's not see-through. They've got it like double lined, so it's not see-through at all. I do love the V-shape thong area. I have on regular panties. As you guys can see, they're black, they're bold. I would literally not wear any panties with this. It doesn't have a button at the bottom, which is cool. Was not expecting to like this. My husband really likes this. He really likes this. I didn't know what to expect, and I do like how the more I finesse it, like if I want it to be like more of a square neck, I can kind of pull it down more, or if I want it to be more of like one of those little 90s, you know, the little workout outfit, you can do that as well. But I'm actually here for it. And I didn't think that I would be here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Skims Fits Everybody collection. I got a bunch of her new stuff. Unfortunately, I'm going to be keeping everything. And I only say unfortunately because she just announced her Fendi collection. And some of the stuff is like $3,000. So I don't know what we're going to be getting from that collection. Hopefully she has some things starting at $100 because that's more affordable. I don't know. You like it?
Love the bag.
He loves the back. And then I asked him if I should have gotten a size large. He said no. He said it looks like a swimsuit as well. So I guess, you know, if you really wanted to go out butts hanging out, you can definitely do that. But genuinely, I like it and I like the color. I would pair it more with like brown so it's not too much of like a bold statement. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget to shop the links below. They are affiliate links, but they help me continue to make videos like this. All right, bye. I low-key like the orange. What?
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.